NDRF has come and they have taken measures to rescue the people, and so far we have come to know that 15 people have died, out of which 4 are females and 2 are children and rest are males, and some have been rescued. Some are 2 are in hospital. We are taking simultaneously, our team is investigating as to the reasons for this incident, and whoever is responsible, firm action will be taken against them.